Welcome to Dream Bike. Today we're diving into the 2025 Honda CRF 50F, the ultimate entry-level dirt bike that's perfect for young riders starting their off-road journey. Honda's CRF lineup has a strong reputation for durability, reliability, and ease of use, and the CRF 50F is no exception. The 2025 CRF 50F is powered by a 49-seat air-cooled, 4-stroke engine. This might sound modest, but for young riders, it's the perfect blend of power and control, allowing them to build confidence while learning essential riding skills. Honda has also equipped the CRF 50F with an automatic clutch, which means no need to worry about shifting gears, letting new riders focus solely on mastering balance and throttle control. Built with a durable steel frame, the CRF 50F is made to handle the bumps and scrapes of off-road adventures. The bike sits on a 10-inch front and rear tire setup, giving it a stable stance and making it easier to handle on uneven terrain. Its low seat height of just 21.6 inches ensures that younger riders can reach the ground comfortably, adding extra confidence and safety. Honda's attention to safety really shows here too. The CRF 50F comes with an adjustable throttle limiter, allowing parents to control the power output to suit the skill level of the rider. This feature lets new riders start slowly and increase speed gradually as they improve. Maintenance on the CRF 50F is straightforward, thanks to Honda's high standards for reliability. With a solid reputation for long-lasting engines and low upkeep, this bike is designed to provide countless hours of riding fun with minimal hassle. In terms of styling, the 2025 CRF 50F keeps that classic Honda look, with bold red bodywork and sleek graphics that resemble the bigger bikes in Honda's lineup. It's the kind of bike young riders will feel proud to ride, giving them the feel of a true dirt bike experience. If you're considering a bike for a young rider who's just getting started, the Honda CRF 50F is a fantastic choice. It combines Honda's legendary build quality with all the features new riders need to feel safe, comfortable, and excited about learning. Thanks for tuning in to Dream Bike. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with more bike reviews and tips. See you in the next video.